today we are going to learn the remaining part of 3 questions which is written by Count Leo Tolstoy. Already we have discussed about the 3 questions, and such the 3 questions came king's mind, and now he was trying to find out its answer. So that's why he sent messengers to his kingdom to find out its answer. What are the 3 questions? Once again we will discuss. The first question is, what is the right time to begin something? Question number 2, who should a king listen to? And question number 3, what is the most important thing for a king to do? Such are the questions already we have discussed. After that, the replies of the 3 questions, it is also already we have discussed. Now we will concentrate on a paragraph number 3. The king put on ordinary clothes and went to meet the hermit. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continuing digging. The king now here, he could not get a proper answer. Why? Because the wise man came with a different answer, and so that's why he was not satisfied. Our king was not satisfied, and so that's why he decided to seek the advice of a certain king, and so that's why he went towards our hermit. And when he went towards our hermit, king put on that is the ordinary dress. The king put on ordinary clothes and went to meet the hermit, and he decided to go to the hermit and to find out its answer. Maybe he would give hermit, according to our king, he would give its answer. 3 questions answer. Why? Because he was a wise person. Hermit was a wise person according to our king, and so that's why he decided to go to the hermit and to find out its answer. The king put on ordinary dress or clothes and went to meet a hermit. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with a bodyguard and went alone. And when he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard. He came with his bodyguard and the horse, and he left there, and alone he went towards a hermit. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut, and he greeted the king and continued digging. As the king came near the hermits and he reached the hermit's hut, and he saw the hermit was digging. He saw that hermit was digging in front of his hut. It was the activity of our hermit. And when he saw that hermit was digging in front of his hut. After that he greeted the king and continued the digging. And he greeted the king, he means that is the hermit. Hermit greeted the king, and greeted means like that, good morning or good evening, such as a greeting we say. That's this. He greeted the king, hermit greeted the king, and again he continue digging. Means he was engaged in his work here. The king went up the hermit and said, I have come to you, the wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. And he repeated the questions. And now he continues in his work. His work was digging the ground. Whose work was digging the ground? Hermit's work was digging the ground. And now he continued the digging. After giving the greeting to the king. And then the king went up to the hermit and said, why he came there, what was the intention to come the hermit's hut. He admitted that, or he told to that is a hermit. He said that, our king said that, I have come to you the wise hermit, to ask you to answer the 3 questions. And he said that why he came. He told everything to the hermit. Why? Because he needed 3 questions answered, and so that's why he came there. There means where? Hermit's hut here. Yes, he said that I have come to you, the wise hermit, and to ask you to answer the question. And he repeated the questions. Again he repeated the questions. What are the questions? Already we have discussed the question number 1, question number 2, and the question number 3. Again here he repeated such the 3 questions to our hermit. What was the reply of the hermit? Now we are going to see. When he repeated the 3 questions, when the king repeated the 3 questions, the reply was very important. Reply of a hermit was very important here. Now we are going to see the reply of a hermit. You see the next paragraph. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. You are tired? You are tired? Like that, are you tired? Such are the questions. You are tired? Said the king, let me take the spade and work in the place here. And now here, hermit listened to the king. Hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He did not reply. He listened. He listened the 3 questions which was given by or spoken by the king, but he did not reply. Hermit did not reply to our king. Again the king said that, are you tired? Maybe our king felt that maybe he was tired, and so that's why he did not speak. He felt that. Maybe he felt that, our king felt that, maybe he was tired. Are you tired? He said that. Are you tired? Or you are tired? Who said whom? Our king said to our hermit. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. And now here, maybe he felt that. Maybe our king felt that. Maybe he was tired, and so that's why he demanded a spade. Spade, आपण म्हणतो फावडा किंवा कुदळ सारखं. Yes. He demanded that is the spade, and he was ready to work instead of our hermit. He was ready. Why? Because according to king, maybe he was tired, and so that's why he demanded that is a spade, and his wish was to work instead of our hermit. Thanks. Then the reply of the hermit was thanks. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. And here maybe he was tired, and so that's why hermit gave his spade to our king to dig. Yes, to dig here, to dig the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer. When the king had dug 2 beds, beds means आपण म्हणतो मोठमोठे असे वाफे म्हणतो किंवा मोठमोठे अशी जमिनी म्हणतो, जमिनीचे म्हणजे किंवा त्याला आपण ग्रामीण भाषेमध्ये गादे असे म्हणतो. आणि हे गादे काय करतो, 2 बेड्स तो खणतो. बेड म्हणजे अंतरुण नव्हे, यस नो, किंवा जमिनीचे काही भाग, बेड्स मीन्स जमिनीचं काही भाग तो खणतो आहे. When the king had dug the 2 beds, he stopped, and after that he stopped. After digging 2 beds, our king stopped and again repeated 3 questions or his questions. But But the hermit gave no answer. But hermit did not give its answer. 3 questions answer. There was no reply. There was no reply. Reply of a hermit. Once again here. Now we concentrate on the questions answer. Questions answer. Now the question number 1. What thought came to the king? What thought came to the king? What thought? 3 questions. What are the 3 questions? The 3 questions are like, what is the right time to begin something? Who should a king listen to? And what is the most important thing for a king to do? Such are the 3 questions. Such are the 3 questions. And such a 3 questions came to our king. It is a answer of a first question. Now we turn to the question number 2. Write the 3 questions for which the king wanted to have a answer. Write the 3 questions. Already we have discussed the 3 questions. You can write. It's a answer. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. You can write. Okay. Next, question number 3. Was the king satisfied with the answer? If yes, why? If no, why? Yes. Was the king satisfied with the answer? According to me, yes, he was not satisfied with its answer. Why? Because he did not get a proper answer. He did not a correct answer. Why? Because the wise men came with a different types of answer. And so that's why he was not satisfied. Our king was not satisfied. And so that's why. Now we turn to the question number 4. Who did the king decide to seek advice from? Who did the king decide to seek advice from? Who? The hermit. And so here at first he did not get the correct answer, suitable answer, appropriate answer he did not get, and so that's why he was not satisfied. So that's why he decided to go to hermit and to find out its answer. Such the 4 questions are set on it. And now we such are the questions which is a mention answer you can write in your notebook. Thank you very much.